taken the lead.
Is it just like the same map every time?
No, there's different maps.
No. They all look pretty similar.
Yeah, I feel like we've been playing on the same one for like an hour.
That's what happens when you play in the water.
This one's different. They should make one where you have boats on land. You have to push.
Who's that guy?
How come he spawns like all the way over there? Oh, never mind. You're only 5 kilometers away.
I hate you. I'm going into hay.
Alright.
Actually, I'm gonna go hide behind this huge mountain.
It's like really even now for some reason. Like I was playing with HK and there was like 10 battleships on one team and we just got destroyed.
Hello?
Hello!
Hey! What's up?
Absolutely nothing. Lex, where should we go?
I don't know. I'm just gonna wait till our team goes to the front and I'm gonna go in there and steal their kills. That's the plan. That's how you get XP in this game. There's like 3 dudes over there.
Dude, if you guys just want quick XP, just go against the computer.
This guy's just like running me over, what the heck? Do you see that?
Yeah.
The enemy team has taken the lead.
Another dude just rammed into him. Oh my god. I was gonna ram into him, but he turned too quickly.
Here, Plex, after your battle, invite me to your group.
Alright.
Gage, was I ready for battle and my build was just in there AFK?
No.
Oh, okay. Just making sure I didn't piss anybody off. Just imagine the whole team, this battleship is fucking AFK!
Oh, my bad.
Oh, I didn't even know that you were right there. I think I shot you.
Oh.
I was aiming down my telescope thing and I just like pulled the trigger and I think it ended up hitting you.
It's all good. I'm healthy. Oh shit. It's alright.
Our team has taken the lead.
Damn. I'm getting fucked.
Where are you?
Oh, Gage.
I just watched your HP bar like, oh wait, no, never mind.
That's what I get for 1v4ing.
That's what happens to your boss.
Devastating strike.
What happened to HK? Just gave up?
No, I kicked him from
Oh,
the party
shit.
because he was AFK,
Shoot
and
that
then
guy.
he came back, and now he's with them, I think.
He's not in our party, we're in a game right now. Just an adjustment.
Banzai!
Aw damn, I got fucked though.
I guess that's what happens when he doesn't talk.
What happened?
You.
I'm gonna abort and invite HK.